Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tangle Bros, and today I'm going to show you some secret settings about MT5. And if you're also new, this video is also for you. How to use MT5 for beginners is also for you, because when I started learning forex, I found it very difficult. I found it very difficult to use the MT5. No, now like the MT5 is even more easier. Like the interface is even more easier. When I started, like there was nothing like buy. Let me take it to the app. So now, I'm currently in a trade on gold. So like before, there was nothing like this buy and sell and other stuff. There was nothing like it. It was like this. If you want to enter a trade, you have to enter here, go here, then put your lot size and buy, sell. That's all you need to do before. But now they have made everything easier. If you want to enter a trade, you can easily put your lot size here. Any lot size based on the one you prefer. If you like 0.5 or one standard lot or two standard lot, then anyone. So you after inputting it, you can just click any of either by yourself. It depends on what you want to do, the action you want to take at the moment. So it's even more easier. So just grateful for MT4, MT5. I don't know much about MT4 because I don't like MT4. When I started, I didn't really use MT4. I used it for when I started because they said I should use it to like get a feel of the app. So once I started using MT4, then I found the basic. How would I say, like the basic purpose of the app? So I found how to navigate on the app and everything. So I went to download the MT5 because I found out that it was more advanced. It has some features which the MT4 does not have. So I downloaded the MT5. I mean, sorry. Then that's my go-to now every day. Even on my system, I use MT5. I don't use MT4. But I like it. And recently they just added some cool features which are like I can literally close these three orders right now. Like literally, you just go to bulk operation, then you can say close all positions, close profitable positions, close buy positions, close XAUSD positions, close buy positions, and others. You can literally close all these positions at once. Before, if you want to close the position, you have to go one by one, then click. So, but now it's even more faster. So we just appreciate MT5 for bringing that into the space. And let's get this video started. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use MT5 for beginner. As a beginner, you were introduced to forex and you just want to get started trading either with a demo or with a live account, which one you can fund. Just want to get started and like you find it difficult to understand this MT4 app, this app called MT4 or MT5, any one of them. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use this app. So first of all, yeah, if you download this app, if like immediately download the MT4 MT5, they are going to automatically give you a demo account of $10,000, I think, for you to trade with. You don't need to create an account unless you have like a live account, or you have a broker that you want to trade a demo with, like you went to a broker like Xness, Quacola. There are so many of them. So you want to trade their demo account, then you went to their site and they give you their logins, and you just come to this place, click on this place, then you see manage account. I'm currently trading a competition account, the 400 trader September competition account. So that's what I'm currently trading, and I'm in US Jordan. So, and see my expense account and see my demo account, see my other life account. So for you to log in here, after clicking that stuff, then you click on this plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you say find a broker. It depends on the broker you want to use. Like we have 8cap, Xness, see Think Market, Alpha Cosmo Trading, FCMO, Quackwalls. So any broker, like for like how would I say it? If you go to the site you want to like create an account, then they'll give their server, like broker, each broker have their server. So you put the broker's name and you click on this. Once you click on example, if it is an Xness account, you look for Xness, and then you see all these options. So you click on the one you want to like now we choose Xness Technology Limited because they have different. I think this one is for Cyprus, this one is for, I don't know, Scotland. I mean, this one is for UK. I don't know this one. So I don't know. So this one I think is for global or something. So I'll click on this one. Then look at this place, and they give you login details like the login number. So you put that one here. Then they give you password. Either some brokers say it as investor password or normal password. You put that one here. Then you select the server, whether it's demo, real 9 or real 10, real 11, all kinds of stuff. Select, then you just always save your password so like it will be easy for you to navigate through different accounts. Then you just click on login and then you are in. After you are in, they will show you these codes. These are the pairs you want to trade. So most brokers, they often are like different pairs for you, like pairs as a login in. When you start logging in, they will show you different pairs that you don't want to trade. So for you to like add pairs that you want to trade that are not there already, just click on this plus button. Then you go to someone. This is a broker. This is Think Market, so their own is different. But you can literally search for the ones you want to. Like now, if I want to search for maybe like Euro, US or GU, or I think it's not sure because I've already had it. So maybe you want to trade maybe like USD, US 30 here, US 30, S&P 500, all those stuff. This is our index. Then here, these are currency pair: AUSD, AUNDZ, AU CHF, AU card, and all those stuff. So you add your currency. I just added something. This I don't want it. So if you want to delete it, if you want to delete all this, but you first click on this pencil, then click on this, delete this thing. Then click on the one you want to delete. Like I want to delete this one. So I just press this thing and it is gone. So if you want to add, you can still click on this place and add. If like now these are forex major. So most brokers they write forex. Sometimes they write forex major, they write forex minor, they write forex exotic. If you are trading commodities, see comes. This is commodities and all that stuff. Brent, crude oil, crypto. If you are trading Bitcoin, index, see silver and gold, all those stuff. So, or if you're not seeing the symbol you're looking for, just search for it. Find the symbol, just search for it. And after you have selected the ones you want to add, then you press this place. Delete the ones you don't need. So I can literally press this thing and just select the ones I don't want, and I'll just click. That's it. Then after selecting your this thing there, then come to the charts. The charts. As you can see, in the default, like in the default MT4, your candlesticks are red and green. Like bullish is green and bearish is red. So if you want to change that, I like red. If I'm seeing red, like if I'm in a trade and it is coming down, if I'm seeing a huge red, like it affects me psychologically. So it makes me tense. So that's why I'm going with a positive color like white. Like in society we don't see white. Like if they say something is pure, we don't perceive it as a bad thing, so perceive it as a good thing. So that's why I'm going with white. So each time a candle, like a bearish candle, is coming down, I don't really see that negative impact on my feelings. Like it's not, because it's something I'm seeing, because these colors you are seeing, like they have psychological effect on our brain. Like there's a way we perceive these colors like in real life, so it really affects us. So white now, if I'm seeing the bearish candle like this white candle coming down, I'll still be confident, because like maybe it will stop me out, I don't know, but like I'll just have this confidence that nothing's happening, nothing. But if it is red, I'll be tense moment. Oh, bro, red. Oh, it's coming down. Like just, I don't know. That's for me personally. I don't know. I don't know if I go the same with me. But I prefer changing. Some people change it to black. Some people change it to any color. So to do that, you click on, just tap on anywhere. Then you see this circle. This thing. Yeah, you can use to switch between different time frames. This is 1 minute time frame. This is 5 minutes. This is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. If you want to add maybe like draw like trend lines or lines and other stuff, these are it. If you want to draw trend lines, you can click on this one, then you can draw your trend lines. Some people don't have laptops, so maybe they use MT4 for analysis and other stuff. So see, I've drawn a trend line from here to here. This is how you draw a trend line. Then if you want to delete it, just click on the trend line you just drew. Where is it? Or you can just press it here and then see the delete button. That's why I love MT5. MT5 is more advanced than MT4. So you click on it. Simple as that. If you want to, there's Fibonacci here. If you want to do Fibonacci, there's circle, shapes. There's horizontal line and vertical line, all the stuff. So yeah, you can use all those stuff. And also if you're an indicator based trader, yeah, if you're an indicator based trader, I think this is where you find your indicators. I think this is where you find your indicators, Elliott waves and all that stuff, shapes and okay, I've forgotten. Yeah, this is where you find your indicators. See, look at it. So main chart, if you want to add something to the main chart, see your indicators, the trend, the moving average, parabolic SR standard deviation, blah blah blah. I don't use indicators. I'm a pure price action trader, so I follow price action. I would suggest you become a price action trader because it's very very like using your naked eyes to see the market doing its thing is very very amazing, and you don't have to follow on any indicator leading because indicators are lagging. Let's be honest, indicators are lagging, but I don't know. It's up to you. If it's working for you, keep it on. If it's not working for you, I will advise you to change. So we see different indicators for trend, oscillators, volumes. I mean, Bill Williams, and all those stuffs. Then these are indicators. And also, if you want to change your candles, if you want to know price, where price is at, you want to place your stop loss and all that stuff. See, you can move this thing to different candles, different and everything. And if you want to change the candles I was talking about, you come to settings. After I come to settings, you can even change your chart to bar chart, to line chart. I can change it to line chart, and everything here will be line. See, everything will be line. So you can come change it to candlesticks and different options. There trade positions, you want to show them, trade orders, stop loss level, show period separators, ask price, last price, trade notification, and others. One click one. Then colors. This is where you can change your colors. This is color schemes. Then this is background white, background black, then foreground white, then grid. I think this is gray or brown, gray. Bar up, this is the bullish candle, green. This is the bearish candle, white. This is the bull candle, the same thing. Then chart lines, white, volumes, bar, ask price, then all the stuff, stop loss, pips, take profit, sell line, all the stuff, binary. You can set on your colors, whichever color like. If you like pink, or if I get pink, or you want to like any color you want to, you can just set it, and that's it. And you have customized your own MT4. And one thing I have to say, like, I love MT5. That's why I love MT5. Imagine like you can literally set your buy limit on that. If you click by just clicking on this, by clicking on this thing, you can set your buy limit orders. Just click on this thing here, you can see buy limit. You can change it to sell limit here, buy stop, sell stop. You can literally just then click this R button and place, literally simple as that. Then you can even place your stop loss. Like I'm in a trade now here. This is my stop loss. I can literally move it after moving it to my desired price. Let me say I want to move it to this place, and I will click on this one, then click on this, then modify, then I'm done. See, the price is there. The same thing as TP. See my TP, I can literally move it to this place, move it higher, After moving to my select like the price I want, then after I click on this. Simple as that. That's how I use them before. Before we end this video, let me do a quick recap. If you want to log in your sign up with your broker, click on this place, manage accounts, plus sign, find your broker, input to log in your password, then log in, then chat, come to the quotes. Then if you want to add the currency you're looking for, look for forex majors, or just search for the symbol. Then if you appear, click on it, then it automatically add. Then if you want to delete, like if you don't like plenty symbols, you don't like so there are some brokers they add multiple quotes like currency pairs or instruments for you. So you don't want to like keeping the ones that are not necessary. You can just click on this place and press this delete tab, then and literally delete every one of them that you don't like. Just click this, just select the ones you don't like, and then press this delete button, and you just automatically delete. And you come to the charts. You put here's your lot size. Just click on it. Then you buy or you sell or buy. I always recommend that you downloading MT5 as a beginner coming up. Download MT5. I'm serious. So we click on your sell or buy orders and all those stuff. Let me check my trade, $700 running. You click on buy orders. They can put in any lot size. Make sure you use position size calculator. 0.5, 0.5. This is 0.5. You can use any lot size once, 0.1. Then you can also come to this place and say input your lot size, everything here, but that one just makes it very faster. That's what I think personally. Just makes it faster. I'm checking my trade. I'm checking my trade. The trade is not just moving well from my pattern. So that's all. Then change colors, settings. Go to you switch between different time frames. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. I use 15 minutes for entries. I use 1 hour for trend line, the current trend. Then I use 4 hours for the main trend. I use daily for the longer time frame. Maybe if I want to do my top down analysis, I use the weekly and the daily to the 4 hour to do my top down analysis. Then if you want to add indicator, just click on this button, then click on this main chart, then blue envelopes and other stuff, cardio indicators, then click on setting to change your colors and everything. So I think that's why we're in this video. If you find this video useful, make sure you click that like button so YouTube will promote this video to more people. Also subscribe so that you will not miss any of our official videos, because I have amazing content waiting for you. Anything about forex as a beginner, I'm here for you. So you don't want to miss it, from strategies, from trading strategies to psychology, risk management. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you stay subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment, and I'll see you next week. Peace.